To solve a system of linear equations using graphing, the first thing you want to do is take a look at the linear equations and graph them on your coordinate plane. The solution to the system is where the two lines are going to intersect on the coordinate plane. So first make sure you have your equations in slope-intercept form. This first one is, so I'm going to take a look, and it's -1 is the intercept, and it has a slope of 1, so rise 1, run 1. Rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1, run 1. And then you play connect the dots, and you will graph your equation. This next one is a -1 slope, and it has an intercept of 3, so 1, 2, 3, yeah. -1 slope goes like this, and already you can see where they're going to cross each other. So you graph the line, and the intersection of the line is right here, right there at that point. So that point is 2, 1. So 2, 1 is the solution to that system. You can check this by substituting the points back in. So 1 is y, 2, and you can see 2 minus 1 is 1, so that checks for that system. 1 and 2. So -2 plus 3 is 1, so it checks for that system as well, or for that equation as well. If your equations are not in slope-intercept, you're going to want to put them in slope-intercept. So the first one, I'm going to subtract x from both sides, so I get -y equals -x plus 5. I know I can't have -y, so I'm going to make it y equals x minus 5. This second one, I'm going to add 3x to both sides, so I'll get y equals 3x minus 1, and there's my system. So x minus 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it has a slope of 1, so and you're going to graph. Oh, that's terrible. And then -1, and it has a slope of 3, so 1, 2, 3, 1. It looks like it's not going to cross over up top, so I'm going to go down. 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 1 right there. Okay. So graphing. All right, and I can see that this point right here is the intersection of the two lines. And that point is -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -7. So -2, -7. And if I plug those back in, so x is -2 minus -7, yes, that does equal 5. So -3 times 2 minus, or excuse me, plus -7 equals -1. Well, -3 times 2 is -6. Nope, -2, there it is. -3 times -2 is +6. +6 plus 7, -7 is a -1, so it checks for that system as well. So -2, -7 is the solution. Now remember, this is not the best method. This is the first method we're looking at to find the solution to a system of equations. And the definition of the solution is an ordered pair that will work in both of these. And when you're looking at the graph itself, it's where the two lines intersect, and it's at that ordered pair that they intersect. That is your solution.